Hello, my name is Sarawati. I will present my study, Analyzing the Application of Physics-Based Agricultural Teaching Integrated Smartphone on Fluid Concept. Today's learning should enable technology such as smartphone integrated to learning process, especially when learning online due to COVID-19. Fluid refers to the physical concept of fluid, liquid, or gas. That concepts are very important in agriculture, especially in the case of crop irrigation and other uses of fluids in agriculture. The use of fluid in agriculture refers to the processes and characteristics that affect plants' production, including water, air, and nutrients. This research focuses on the analysis of physics-based agricultural teaching materials integrated smartphone on fluid concepts used by teachers to teach physics online in agricultural vocational schools. The method used qualitative in 5 districts in South Sumatra, uses 7 questions, and analysis use the percentage. The data of the research is subject distribution. Physics teachers 1 in plantation crop agribusiness, Physics teacher 2 in plant nurseries and breeding, 3 in agribusiness of food crops and horticulture, 4 in plantation crop agribusiness, and 5 in agribusiness of food crops and horticulture. The analysis of the fluid concepts in agriculture in the movement of mass flow, such as water, air, and nutrients. There are dynamic fluids such as continuity equations, Bernoulli's law, and static fluids such as viscosity, hydrostatic pressure, capillarity, surface tension, Pascal's law, Archimedes' law. The analysis of the application of physics-based agricultural teaching materials on fluid concepts. In teaching material use, there are PowerPoints, worksheets and guides, papers, textbooks, videos, e-modules, and quizzes. Source of teaching materials, there are making by own teaching materials from the internet, modifying teaching materials from the internet, and printed book. Focus of teaching materials, there are general and general, but when learning is associated with agriculture. Display of teaching materials, there are interesting and not interesting. Perception of fluid-based agricultural teaching materials are very important, and the use of fluid-based agriculture teaching material apps has never been used. The percentage of application of physics-based agricultural teaching materials. There are PowerPoint 40%, handout and video 40%, e-module and quizzes 20%, teacher's math 20%, modification from internet 60%, and teaching materials from internet 20%. There are focus on general 40% and general but taught with agriculture 60%. And 60% teaching materials are interesting, the other 40% are not interesting. The perception about physics-based agricultural teaching materials on fluid concept are very important, about 100%. The discussions, there are none of the teacher has ever used physics-based agricultural teaching on fluid concepts, be in the form of textbooks, electronic modules, or smartphone applications, because difficult to get fluent physics-based agricultural teaching materials from internet, other sources, while teachers have not yet been able to create the interactive teaching materials they need. This may be due because the ability of teachers in Indonesia to prepare learning equipment and funds are very scarce despite being able to provide funds. However, the means produced are far from expected as they are only used to comply with administrative rules and not to facilitate learning. The study shows that an interactive physics-based agricultural teaching on fluid concept is required for teachers in agricultural vocational schools in the form of electronic modules or smartphone applications. Conclusions: there are none of the teacher has ever used physics-based agricultural teaching materials on fluid concepts, and an interactive physics-based agricultural teaching on fluid concepts are required for online learning as teaching aids for teachers in the form of electronic modules or smartphone applications at agricultural vocational schools. Thank you.